What if person get attack? See my chest to big. Hey God. They couldn't sleep. I feel go now.
Why is everyone locked out, Chief?
I don't forget. So I don't give that wicked get the medicine. Hey. Akanchawa Baddie. Why you know they when they do something right? They cannot drink that. Hey.
Baby greetings. Some baby greetings, you know. Guys, it was just so much fun tonight. We're just really getting it done today. Let's go. Oh, no, the classic. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hi guys.
How are you guys?
Baby black guys.
Oh, this is my food.
Thank you. Baby Mazu.
Where are you going to?
We're here for the party, of course. We're here for the party. Why is he looking at us like that?
Oh, the mind.
The girls inside are complete. Who are you people?
We just got invited.
Yeah.
Really?
We don't know.
We're here. Let me call and confirm. Watch them.
Okay.
Hey, step back.
Calm down. Relax.
I know.
You don't have to be rude. Come on, man. Just relax. We're special guests.
It's a black man with so many Mazos. Baby Mazos.
You look good. Now a baby. You're not smiling. Smile at us. Oh my God. We're gonna have fun tonight. We're gonna have so much fun. Yes.
This phone.
Hello? Is anybody there?
I don't piss for my pants.
Hello? There are ladies at the gates. From where? Who sent them? Are they on the list? You know what? I'll be downstairs. I'm coming. I'll be there.
Hello.
It's just have fun now. We just say person need to confirm before you enter the house.
Papilo, he came one away. He not treat the medicine. I don't know.
What do you mean?
I don't know, say I don't give her the medicine. She no drink her.
It's just what they do you now. Why you won't spoil work?
Sorry. Small remain for the bottle. Beg, I'll give her, me she drink her.
You the grace. Let me show you the grace.
Hey, this boy's gonna kill me. No care the person who at us. Maybe I'll go. This boy's gonna kill me. Hey. Oh. Hey.
Can you guys step back a little bit?
Don't be rude. Come on. Relax. I've been to see fine girls before. Don't be rude to ladies.
Like girls, see, there's a problem.
What?
Oh my God. This is just Mr. Period.
Oh
my God, this is just Mr. Period.
Oh, come on, girls.
Let's go.
Okay, we're back. Let's go.
Baby Moses, sorry. Take care.
Let's just go.
Where are the girls?
They were here, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma. They were just here.
But there's nobody here. This is strange. Where's the police van?
They were parked here some moments ago, ma. I think they left briefly.
I need you to bring back the police van. Something is not right.
Yes, ma.
You understand?
Yes, ma.
Man this gate. Do not let anyone come in. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma.
Good.
Esty, I need your help.
Help you waiting. Shebi I warn you.
Esty, now you dey my shoes. What to do? What you do?
Lie, I no go ever do your situation.
Esty, put yourself in my shoes now.
I no kukuma the way your shoe, Esusa.
You want me those guys expel me? They will kill me, oh.
How many people there awake for the house?
Now one.
The Sandra where you tell me about?
Yes, the woman should not take the medicine. And she thought they suspect me since.
How about security? How many then there?
I don't know, I can't.
I pity Papilo and the guy, Sha. You be mumu, you just go spoil their operation. The only smart girls they run this kind of thing.
It's the way I'll do. The girl will catch me. What I'll do?
First, you guys come out for there. You go come out from bathroom.
Okay.
Pretend say they sleep too now all day.
Eh?
Yes, pretend say they sleep so she go suspect you.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense. So we need to take the medicine. Okay. I'll call you back. May I go outside?
I know you're in there. You better come out. What's going on here? Who is in there? You better come out right now. What are you doing here? Oh my God. What's wrong? Somebody help! Security! Security! Are you okay? What really happened here? I suspect foul play. I need to call the police. I need to call the police.
Fuck! This girl got just one job to do. Just one damn job, for Christ's sake. I should not fit deliver.
Guys, we need to stop complaining and do something.
Oh my, I did our biggest mistake with this.
Guys.
The biggest mistake we say, we carry this girl, come these settings.
I mean, calm down. Eh? Now $200,000 they at stake for you. We don't go there inside small to they argue, they quarrel, they talk what you know full of inside the matter. Which was the reason now we take entire shift house, money on the money, they won't locate them, but bear they come outside like this.
Now you cause this thing. Now you cause this thing. If to say you not bring this girl console.
See the kind of rubbish they come up for your mouth, Nancy. See the kind of rubbish they come up for your mouth. He said she not there now for the enter shift house. Eh? He said she not there. Who for fee help us enter shift house?
Oh, she not help us do. And in fact, she don't even spoil everything like this now.
No,
it don't spoil.
No, ma. She mess up and now your fault. But the thing be say, if you just go in as handyman,
you say you get sense. You can not say nobody they hire handyman by this time of the night.
Okay. Olorioko, brain box. I bet bring option come ground. Bring option.
To be honest, Chidi, if that your security guy was not fired, we for know they go through all this unnecessary stress.
Tell her now. Yeah, they talk as if
we for just stick to the initial plan.
But they don't fire him now. They don't fire the weary. But the thing be say, we no get choice. As CBE, we no get choice.
Which kind of rubbish talk be that one? Say we no get choice.
Let's say we no get choice. How you want to enter this place now? No. Tell me, how you want to enter where you say you know will create suspicion? We sergeant now will call police. No, tell me. Tell me. The best thing now what we do now to just tell Esosa when she move that money. And she gets pay that money.
Wait, you they say make Esosa help us collect the money come aside.
Bro, now the only option we will get is our best bet. I dey tell you. Because like this now, security no dey allow anybody go inside. But security go fit allow her come outside.
If I dey understand what they talk so, say our court go join this, it be like say they mad for it with that. Because my 50k dollars, it go complete. It go complete.
Nelson, wait. I don't even expect you to talk that kind of thing. No worry yourself for that one. Shebi na Papilo babe, na Papilo bring her.
No man.
Papilo go give her from your own court now.
That was FD. That was FD.
Go settle her from your court.
So that from me money we go take settle am abi. No be before she dey help. No be before she dey help. They don't sideline me now. Carry on 3 people for one place. They found 3 wise men for my matter.
No be you cause Sam.
I me cause Sam.
No be your fault. See, this thing, we're not supposed to argue like this because the more time they waste, the more time they go. Normally, now to just call her Sosa, make she move these funds.
Yes.
As she move her, let her know say, make she no open that bag. Make she no try am.
Tell am. Say something where they harmful, we go kill and they inside that bag. Make she just bring the bag. Gently come give us.
Una dey sure say she no go open that bag. Una dey sure.
Okay, calm down. Calm down.
Let me get in control. I go follow and talk. You see the idiot again.
Nah, the same thing we talk.
What's up?
Oh, but phone don't they ring now? When are they fully young like this? Phone they ring. Ozo.
Hello? Am I on to Lakeshore Hospital? Okay, please, I need an ambulance. I need an ambulance right away. All right, I'll send you the address. Okay, thank you.
Waiting.
You go find your way, come for that place where you didn't have me enter the place where you want to tell me you go.
What do you mean get?
To the ask question.
You're not going to kill me. Wait for this one.
Yeah.
Guys. Ambulance don't arrive. Ambulance don't arrive, I swear.
Susa, too fast. Susa, too fast now.
What if the ambulance they carry all of them go hospital, including the Sosa?
No. That one no fit work. That ambulance no fit enter all of them. And see, as a be now, na chief na the important pass for that house. So na chief they first carry go hospital first. First things first.
Actually, it makes sense, yeah. And if they carry chief, it go dey easy for us to get out the money.
No. Make a source of bring her come. Make a say, me bring her come.
Okay.
You know bad.
Quick.
Which kind of
Why maybe in this thing?
Easy. Easy. Easy, that way. Easy. Sorry, Chief. Sorry.
Just go in there. Go in. Move him up. Pick him up.
Okay, open the gate for them. Open the gate. Open!
Quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to man the gate. Nobody leaves or comes in.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
You heard her. You, man this side. You, watch the front door. I'll be over here.
Oka, go that corridor. You go see one door for the end of the corridor, eh? Enter the room. You get one bag where that wardrobe where they see so. No open am. No even think of say me even see what's there inside. Just find your way, eh? Bring and come with us for outside.
Toxin and snake dey inside. You see the one you snake take too. The one steady snake. Hello, Papilo. Una sure say una no go abandon this mission. Wetin the one you snake take do now?
You don't find the bag?
Yes.
He said don't see the bag. Correct. Eh? Sister, quick. Come on for there. That's why you come back again a big wish. Come on for there. Carry the bag, jackpot, come on, space.
Akanchawa Baddie. They say na snake. Meanwhile, na dollars. Hey!
Go back to the house. The money is there. You can't let anyone have it. Go quickly. I suspect someone wants to steal it. Please go.
But Chief said the money is in here. Who would have taken the money? There's thief in this house.
I wonder how these girls they wear this thing safe. Suffocation won't kill me here.
What is taking her time now? She's supposed to don't come out. Papi, call this Bunny. Call this
Oh, but they call them, she know they peak. I know, but they switched off.
Switch what? What do you mean switched off? How? Guy, give me a number.
Take.
What did they talk?
It's ringing, she's not picking.
Oh, God.
Abi, they don't catch him. They don't catch him.
No, I don't want to leave him. No, they don't fit catch him. But I know say you go there very far to carry that money come over chief place now. Security go choke.
Not true, no be lie.
Glad and small.
You know the answer call now. What if this one?
Wait.
It's hopes and no grief for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly, some money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Just the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, nowhere. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly, some money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Nobody wants suffer. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, nowhere. And if you want make level change, wahala must be. Some people around
Guys! It is morning already.
Hey! Wait, you... Una see her, sir?
She not there among the girls.
She there among the girls, so.
No, I don't see her. She not there. Oh.
Which kind sleep? Which kind sleep all of una? And nobody can wake us.
Wait. Have you seen the inside?
Oh?
Have you seen the inside?
She carry her money waka.
Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money big, plenty, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly, some money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Just the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, nowhere. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly, some money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Nobody wants suffer. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere. And if you want make level change, wahala must be. Some people around you go tell you get away because someday jealous, but no lose focus. It's hopes and no grief for anybody. Make you dey chase money. When you make a move, then go query.
Akanchawa Baddie don't agree.
Your money big, no be kere. Akanchawa Baddie, you go hold the cash. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry.
I tell them now. I tell them say I go arrive. Akanchawa Baddie go make camp for Lagos. I no tell now. I'm neighbor, I'm your new neighbor. I go arrive. I go buy my house for Banana Island. I go buy G-Wagon. I go look for a socket for this Lagos. I go shook my hand for your head. See, when they come for outside, everybody go to die. Everybody go to scatter. Because wait here, Akanchawa Baddie don't make up for Lagos. Igwe Oko. Ah! There go silly. There go Raina. There go Lee.
Akanchawa Baddie blow. Baddie blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Baddie blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Baddie blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Chase the money, get the cash. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Baddie blow, get the dollar. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Big motor, big house for banana. Akanchawa Baddie blow. So blow, Baddie blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly, some money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head. Plenty money they good for body. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere, nowhere. Anywhere, this way, that way, some way. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly, some money sweet. Nobody like it suffer head.